So this morning we're here at Tokyo Auto Salon, but we're outside in the parking lot because Akio Toyota is going to come and he's going to warm up in one of these vehicles of his choosing. This is so cool. This really is a deeper dive into Toyota GR and the initiative of performance first, exciting sports, pushing hard, lots of horsepower, lots of tire smoke. This is just too cool. Wash this hand ever again. Alright, now, very cool. Big bang. Go-karts. How many races have you done already?
I mean, in the past 30 days, I came here like 4 times.
Get out of here.
This is the longest I've ever seen
Yes.
this place ever been.
It's your fault, and also my fault.
But also, if you want to go with the cool guys,
Yeah.
then you should have
Wait a minute. So you basically live here now. You've come here so many times. You're like a local now. It's crazy because we've been coming here for so many years. When we first came here in 2022, we were really worried that this place would close because it was like empty. We were the only ones here. And after all these years, look, this is the most amount of people I've ever seen here. It's so many people. And of course, it is because it's Tokyo Car Week. And I'm glad that this many people are here. It makes me happy. The funny thing is, you can all lock arms and hold all of the parts together as you're coming around the back corner here. That couldn't exist anywhere else. Like, this literally could not exist outside of Japan, I feel like. It's indoors, gas carts, no cats or anything. All the windows are closed, no ventilation. I don't actually know how long this has been around, but it's just so cool that this place exists. And I'm so glad that they're really popular and a lot of people are coming here and keeping this place open because we need more places like this. Made it to Nismo. Back at Nismo Omori Factory. There's always really cool cars parked in the parking lot. Oh, look who it is!
What's up?
Dude, the man, the myth, the legend, the reason why my engine bay is so clean.
Hey, let's get that 34, you know? Get some going on that 34.
Oh.
Let's make some power. Baby.
Really?
Yeah, let's make some power.
Man, it didn't stay long. It didn't stay stock for long.
Go crazy. 700.
700.
Up and you're here trying to bully him into power and stuff. Just
Scumbagging him into making some power.
Dude, look where we are. We're at the center, man. We're at the Mecca. What did you buy?
Dude, he doesn't care.
What did you buy?
There's a sick FC outside.
I saw that. I saw that. Of course, you would see you attract them, man. What'd you get?
A rack of air fresheners,
Dude,
bro.
that's crazy.
Squash City.
Oh
With the
my
Costco
goodness.
bowl.
One for each of your cars or what?
Well, there's 10 in each of these. So
Okay.
20 air fresheners.
All right.
I'm just prepared. This place is nuts.
What are you driving?
Z Nismo and also my Integra. We're swapping.
They're just talking about.
Yeah. DC2. Last year. Yeah. Yeah, of course. Come on.
Silly question.
Come on.
Chen, that was a silly question.
Jeez. Hey, so you got a booth this year for the first time.
We brought the 400R out and got the show. It's pretty cool. Super cool.
Dude, what a rite of passage.
Yeah, it is a move, right? Like I saw it and I couldn't even. It's like you can't even really take it in. It's like there's the sign, you know. But it's sick, super cool.
Congratulations.
Top Rank killed it, helping us out, and Shiba Tire, super cool.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, so cool. I love it.
To celebrate, we're gonna make 700 horsepower in Larry Chen's R34 about it.
You want to talk about it being backwards? Like we're talking about U.S. built cars coming back to Japan.
Yeah,
and being displayed proudly at Tokyo Auto Salon, which also, by the way, right across the way from the Toyota booth.
Yeah, right next door.
Yeah.
Which was crazy. You couldn't even move. Yeah, so.
You gave me a ride in your 270.
How cool is that?
And
to see one in Omori.
So,
like seeing it again, I like had to film it. I was like, this is sick.
But this is like a perfect version.
Really,
yours?
Mine was like a driver.
Right.
Which was cool. I got to drive it on English Town, link the whole course, bone, stock, or whatever it was, stock as it was.
Amazing.
Super fun.
They're
at this
really
cool cars.
This
I love
is
the skirts. I love the hood. No one likes the hood. I love the bumper, hood, skirts. In the back, I'm not.
The interior is amazing.
Yeah.
The hood definitely looks like an afterthought, but this one looks like it's in pretty perfect condition.
It's good.
This is even more rare than the 400R.
Yeah, they made 30 of these and 40 $400.
It makes me wonder how much is this worth.
That's a true catalog car, right? Where the 400R has like the special motor and stuff like that. This, everything I think available or on this car was available from the catalog. So you could technically make a clone like from
But
a normal.
with those seats and everything, look how nice those seats are.
Maybe those aren't. Because those are just 14 seats with the fabric.
His was a replica.
No,
It was a replica. It was a replica.
So good. Oh, wow. They got a Z-Tune here. This. Oh, I see Andrew. Hey, is this your next car or what?
Trifecta. This would complete it, right?
Is this your next car or what?
Very possible, sir. No. I gotta have something to look forward to, Larry.
Dude,
I gotta have something to look forward to.
you out of all people, man. How upset would the world be if you modified a Z-Tune?
Well, let me show you something. You can leave it in the video or not, but I'm gonna show you something. So I was looking at this edge, and you see how it looks a little speckly? So I was like, oh, has this been painted? And then you can see on the trim there, the little tape line on the trim.
Oh, I saw
That
that.
whole quarter panel.
Hey, Tom.
And down there.
It's got a real
Uh-oh.
I know, you gotta get rid of that rear wiper.
Wait, okay, so you need to put the N1 glass on the
Yeah,
rear.
yeah. And it should have came with it, honestly.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
Andrew put the N1 glass on his Yamabuki yellow car.
Yes, sir. Had to do it.
So nice.
Had to do it.
Did you see no diffuser for the
Yes.
diff coolers?
Yes.
Super cool. You would think they would cut it.
This is probably the most expensive car that we've seen on this trip so far.
Really?
Like this has got to be. I mean,
Yeah, these are crazy.
These
It
are
was
so
1.5.
how much do you think
these
these
go for?
cost? What have you heard?
I think honestly on a fair price, 1.5 to 2. I've heard 5 million, but 5 million is not
It's
going to happen.
not really.
Okay.
It's just not worth
Okay.
it. Yeah.
Okay.
But if someone asked it for the right one, like number one, real low miles,
Yeah.
maybe.
Dude.
See, I'm taking a GTST, painting it this color with this body kit on it. That's how I'm getting my Z-Tune. All right?
It's called the H-Tune.
the
I like
H10.
that. I like that. I like that.
Yeah. That's the H10.
We're done. Herd's done. Cut off. Find your own way home, baby.
I really like the fact that they have a rotating car show. It's never the same. Every time I come here, it's something different. This is Z Nismo GT4. This has that more eco-friendly carbon. I think it looks really, really cool. We did have a chance to shoot one of these really early on when it first launched, and we shot that at the Nissan Design Center, and unfortunately they just shut down the Design Center, RIP, after so many years. One thing I really like to see every single time is what they have behind the glass here, and I have yet to be able to get back there. One of these days I'm gonna be able to walk around in there and hopefully film, but because it's a lot of customer cars and they don't disclose who these cars belong to, they generally don't let anyone back there. But this is really cool to see a whole driveline. I'm assuming this is, oh yeah, okay, so this is the R4 engine. It makes me wonder what car it's going in, but it's just cool to see all of it out. The entire driveline with the get drag transmission, 6-speed, the whole rear subframe, all Nismo, everything. Nismo Öhlins. What else they have here? The R34 GGTC GT500 motor. Oh my goodness, it's a Group A R32 GTR engine. Nismo S1 VR38, S2 RB26, R4. Look at all those beautiful Nismo goodies on that R33. If you're a Nissan nerd and you're in Tokyo, you have to come here. Unfortunately, it's only open on the weekends, which doesn't make any sense to me, especially around Tokyo Auto Salon week, because there's just so many people that come from all over the world to check out this scene. I see you. They got you so good.
They got me so good.
Why do you need 34 keys?
My key, I only have one.
Oh, okay.
So I want a spare, and then I'll leave one uncut.
Wait, oh, and then, because you have to program it, right?
No, I would have to work at ECU. So I don't think you have to.
Got
We'll
it.
see. You need a console.
Got it.
Do you have a factory key like this?
I do.
You only have one, or you have more than one?
I have two. So, boom.
They did you right.
45,000 for this.
The hood is like, I think the hood, the fenders are 11, the bumper is 14, the diffuser is like 10, and the hood is 15, I think.
They're just making up numbers at this point, man.
They're just like, hey, what will you pay? You know, like at Whole Foods.
They just find somebody like you,
exactly.
or Andrew.
Come and change the price.
They're like, hey, he's coming. He's coming through the door.
But honestly,
Bump it
like,
up $10,000.
Bump it up 10,000.
Definitely did not expect to see an Apple Valley Speedway sticker out here. That's so funny. I like this. Still 80. Of course, there's a Bayside Blue that looks mostly stock. Spirit R. I love the bumpers on these because there's actually a molded area for the license plate.
I just don't run a front plate.
Yeah, but I'm a firm believer of if you have to run a front plate, especially on a JDM car, it might as well look good. Evo 5, S15, S13, my thing. Damn, so many rotaries here. And that is our Z Nismo